engine bay is absolutely perfect. It looks amazing. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. That fender looks amazing. We do have a little bit of curb rash right there. Tires are 245, 4517. And they look brand new. You still got the yellow stripe here. Got a ding right here. A few minor scuffs. I don't see any rips yet. Got one chip right there. A couple imperfections here on the edge. And looking at this wheel, looks amazing. Once again, tires are brand new. That quarter panel looks good. Back bumper looks amazing. And these are painted on stripes. This top looks good. I'm not seeing any rips or tears anywhere. Have a chip right here that's been touched up. The rest of that hood looks amazing. And the top is power, so we unlatched it and it went straight back. Hardest thing is getting this cover on, and overall the cover looks good. It does have a couple marks on it. I don't see any rips or tears, and it has a really pretty pearlescent look to it, but I'm not seeing any rips or tears. And it goes around the corner pretty easy. Have a couple spots that are hard to get down. Otherwise, looks awesome. All right, checking out the front end here. This upper section looks absolutely perfect. Trying to find any rock chips in this paint. Now you're gonna have some corrosion around the emblem. A couple spots here on the chrome. Got a little gash right there. That front end looks amazing though. This thing is so clean. This wheel looks perfect. Brand new tires. Got a chip right there. Door edge looks amazing. That lower rocker looks awesome. Got one chip right here. That wheel looks good. All of this looks amazing. Like I said, that top looks awesome. Here on the interior, it is a non-smoker. Now you do have a crack right there, a couple chips every once in a while, little scuff there. All the windows work perfect. The rest of that panel looks amazing. Kick plate area looks awesome. The door jamb looks good. You see this kind of pops out every once in a while. It's not perfect. You do have a couple chips and a little bit of wear here on that piping, as well as that piping there. The seats themselves, they'll look amazing. The steering wheel looks good. The dash looks awesome. Very clean. Carpets look good. Pedals look good. Looking at the seat back, it looks awesome. Got a little scuff there, and there's a couple stains you can see on the leather. Very minor. All of this looks good. All 4 windows roll down perfect. Couple markings here on that white leather, but the rest of that seat looks awesome. Seatbelt looks good. Console looks nice. Kick plate area looks good. Door jambs look amazing. And of course, you're gonna have some imperfections here from it touching there on that rubber seal, but the rest of this panel looks really good. A few scuffs. Otherwise though, that looks really nice.